Hey there, budding photographer. So you want to learn about ISO, huh? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the land of camera setting. Picture this. You're at a party, and the room is dimly lit. You know, the kind of lighting that makes everyone look like they're in a music video. You whip out your camera, ready to capture the moment, but your photos turn out darker than a moonless night. Enter ISO, the superhero of low-light photography. ISO is like the camera's sensitivity control. It's the secret sauce that helps you take, well, exposed photos, even when the lighting is less than ideal. Think of it as your camera's night vision goggle. The higher the ISO, the more sensitive your camera is to light, and the brighter your photos will be. But beware, young photographer, with great power comes great responsibility. Cranking up the ISO too high can lead to grainy, noisy photos. Kind of like when you turn up the volume on a speaker and it starts to sound like a swarm of bees. So it's all about finding that sweet spot where your photos are bright enough without looking like they were taken during a sandstorm. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know what ISO setting to use? Well, my friend, that's where the magic of experimentation comes in. Start with a low ISO, like 100 or 200, when you're shooting in bright conditions, like a sunny day at the beach. As the light starts to fade, gradually increase your ISO until you find the perfect balance between brightness and image quality. Remember, photography is all about capturing the moment, and sometimes that means embracing a little bit of graininess in your photos. After all, life isn't always crystal clear, and neither are our memories. So go forth, young shutterbug, and let ISO be your guiding light in the world of photography.